Here's how to fold down the seats on a Subaru Outback car. If yours is of this generation, this is a 2006 model. So first of all, if you're using the middle seat belt, you're going to have to get it out of the way. You can see on the side there is a little slot that's just the right size to poke your key into, and that releases it just like a normal seat belt would release. And then it goes up into the roof of the car and it folds away tight and high like that. So it is completely flush if you do it right. You don't want to leave it hanging out of there. And then the rest of it's easy. There's a button. You just push down on the button and then whammo, it comes down like that. And you see it is a 60-40 split. So if you only need to put down half the seat, then you just do half a job. But if you want to put both of them down, then just push the button on the other side and you have lots and lots, acres and acres of room there to keep your stuff. And now if we wanted to fold them back up again, the process is just the reverse of what we just did. So it just folds back up and it automatically snaps into place so that you don't have to push that button again or anything. You just slam it up there and you can see it's not going to move after that. And then if we want to have the middle seat in effect again, we just pull that back out and snap it in just like we would snap a seatbelt in. Let's see if I can do it with one hand while I'm holding a camera. Dude, who's Mr. YouTube? It's me. There we go. So that's on. And then you are ready to go.